Riding a bird scooter on the sidewalk is illegal in most major U.S. cities. Sidewalk riding is typically prohibited to protect pedestrians, with regulations varying heavily by local municipality and state, often requiring scooters to use bike lanes or roads with speed limits under 35 miles per hour. Key considerations: local ordinances rule, city-specific laws, for example, Los Angeles and San Francisco, generally ban sidewalk riding. Check the app. Bird often includes reminders to follow local laws and use bike lanes within their app. Safety and penalties: riding on sidewalks can result in tickets, fines, or seizure of the scooter depending on local enforcement. Exceptions: some areas might have specific, albeit rare, exceptions or mixed-use path allowances. Always check the local city's specific bird app regulations before riding.